So we are doing some threads and some lasers and RF microneedling, as well as sculpture and fillers, just to kind of freshen everything up and keep everything where it's supposed to be.
Hey guys, I'm now doing a full facial rejuvenation treatment on my beautiful client. And step one is going to be to do some threading. And so I'm marking the areas where I want her to get some lift and some tightening. So I'm marking our vectors here for our facial tightening and lifting with threads. And these vectors specifically are going to allow us to lift her entire mid face and give her some contouring on the lower face. Okay, so now we're creating the tracks of numbing. See, I have my first vector in. This is our mid face vector and lower face, actually the jowl area. Is there any pain?
No.
She's doing great. So you guys can see I'm tightening this whole area. You can see it move, and there's no pain. So now we're gonna focus on her lower face, which tends to be a real problem area for thinner women, especially because that area gets that little bit of looseness around the mouth. And so we want to put collagen there, and we want to rejuvenate that area. So we're doing some facial contouring now with my patient who looks great. And I just want to do small, subtle bits. The goal is a little bit in all the areas that people start to see aging take effect, where you lose bone, you lose soft tissue, and you start getting some looseness. I'm giving her a little definition on the jawline, very micro droplets. This is a not newer technique, but a technique I've been using more frequently, especially when I do threads on someone. So I'm doing a little numbing to put in our mesh fill. So now we're gonna insert this mesh, and this goes deep into the skin. It helps us fill this area and lift the area. Now doing our hybrid fractional laser. This is going to combine two wavelengths to give her both collagen production and deep tightening, as well as superficial exfoliation. So we're going to get rid of the fine wrinkles, pigmentation. Overall, we just want her skin to glow. We want it to be a little more repaired. We want to get rid of that sun damage. So we're going to apply this onto the skin. Super important. This is like the Ferrari, as I say, in healing. We're going to get that on her skin and get her to heal more quickly. And this will calm her down. We're gonna give her cold air in a second to place. So we wanna get that first, get those stem cells into those channels. Now we're gonna apply our botanical serum. This is our green serum, everyone loves it. We're now gonna use intense hydration mask, you guys. Licorice root, tea tree, hyaluronic acid and peptides. All gonna calm her skin. Again, a little bit more serum, cooling, calming. And we're doing plasma pen. This is one of the newest treatments out for small area tightening and fine wrinkle improvement. Eye, you guys see we're going to use it actually on her whole face because I want to make sure she's getting all those peptides that she needs for healing and for hydration.
It went good. I'm numb and I'm a little swollen, but it was good. And we'll see how it looks.
And I'm definitely swollen. My kids say that I look like a Violet from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, the girl who like blows up. So it's swollen, but it's actually not hurting, and I'm still very swollen, probably even more swollen than I was yesterday. When I woke up, I could barely see. I'm starting to get the little like skin dots popping up. My skin is super dry. Swelling is a little bit better. It's definitely not quite as bad as it was the first day. The little dark spots are starting to kind of flake off just a tiny bit. As you can see, my swelling has gone down significantly. I still have a little bit of swelling around my cheeks and eyes, but it looks really good. And I'm starting to lose some of the little scabs, the little mins, and my skin in those areas looks really, really good. Healing up nicely, still have a little bit of the little scabs, small bruise, and my neck is still fairly scabby, but parts that have fallen off, the skin looks amazing. My swelling has gotten better. They're healing up nicely. My swelling is almost all gone, although I have a little bit still, I think, in this area. I still have a little bit of the dark spots on my skin, but for the most part, they have all gone away and my skin is looking super clear and glowy, and I love it. I am 7 days out and everything is basically all healed up. I still have a tiny little bit of the little mins on my neck, but otherwise everything has flaked off and my skin looks great. And I'm excited. So that's it, 1 week.